Hey everyone, it's Michelle from Puzzle, and today I'm going to walk through the bulk action features and how you can use it to map even faster and more efficient. So let's dive into Acme as an example here. By default, you may have noticed that if you click on the map and drag, it bulk selects. So in this case, I've just bulk selected these 6 steps, and this pill bar pops up that gives me a few options of what I can do. I can duplicate them, I can edit them, I can clear their connections, or I can delete. So let's go through how we could use these. Let's say you're mapping out your client's current state process, and now it's your job to think on it and propose a future state. You want to keep these visually separated as a historical log of what the process was before and what the process could be in the future state. In this case, the quickest way to do this, once you've fully mapped out their process, assigned the right roles and tools, etc., is to click and drag to multi-select and then hit duplicate. In this case, everything carries over. Any connections, any associated roles, tools, all of the notes within the sections have all carried over, and you can easily drag them to wherever you'd like them on your canvas. Another feature that's really useful is the bulk edit. So let's go ahead and see everything that we can edit in bulk here. We can choose to edit the step status. We can quickly indicate that all of these steps are live or testing, for example. We can quickly change the step type. We can say these are all automated, or these are all emails or a form, for example. We can also bulk update the associated roles. So I can say that the project manager is responsible and the client is informed. And I can also bulk edit the associated tool. I can say all of these steps use Zapier and Google Sheets, for example. So let's go ahead and try step status. And let's say, in this case, sure, we want to change all of these step statuses to archived because we've just created a newer, better process. I'm going to hit update there. And now you can see just by the UI that these have all been marked as archived because they are grayed out here. And you can see if I click on each step, we're getting that archived status. Now let's go ahead and try another example. Let's bulk edit these 4. Let's hit edit. And this time let's change the associated role. I can choose the specific role, and then I can also choose how they relate to those steps using the RACI model. Are they responsible? Are they the approver? Are they consulted or informed? In this case, I'm going to mark the customer success manager as responsible to all of these steps. Now, the last option that I have here is to either append it as an additional role to all of the current existing roles on those selected steps, or I can replace the current value. In this case, let's append it and see what that looks like. I just added the customer success manager to those selected roles, which we can see here. The customer success manager is marked responsible. Let's also go ahead and add some connections here by clicking the nodes from one step to the other steps to show this other bulk action that we can do. Okay, so now that we have some of our connectors on these steps, we can bulk clear these. As a reminder, we can clear them one by clicking on each connector and hitting the trash can in the bottom left-hand corner. Or we can, again, click and drag to multi-select and then hit clear connectors. And now all of our steps are free floating and we can reconnect them as we choose. Another feature that we can use with our bulk select is deleting all of these steps. So I can highlight all 6 of these and choose to delete them. We do have a safeguard in place here that makes you confirm, yes, I want to delete these 6 items, delete, and you get that toast notification to confirm that they've been deleted. Now this works really great when the steps that you want to do bulk actions on are close to each other on your canvas, but what happens if they're further away? You can multi-select by clicking on your first step, then press and hold Shift on your keyboard, and then continue to select the other steps that you'd like to do bulk actions on. So in this case, I just selected these 4, again, by pressing and holding Shift and clicking on the step. And I can do all of those same features. I can duplicate them, I can edit them, clear their connections, etc. So let's try to edit this one by adjusting the associated tools. Let's say I want to add Google Drive and I want to append it to the current values. I'm going to hit update. And now Google Drive has been added to all 5 of those selected steps right here. One other really useful feature here involving the bulk select is the ability to click and drag to multi-select and then drag all of those steps anywhere that you'd like on the canvas. So whether you need to quickly move your steps in bulk or quickly duplicate steps or take bulk actions like editing the role or tools involved, now you are all set on how to document faster than ever before in Puzzle. If you have any questions or comments, things you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.